pre-market summary for Indian stock market. Singapore Stock Exchange Nifty 50 Index futures indicate a 48-point drop at the opening bell. Asian stocks are lower Wednesday as investors digest China's inflation data and await the US CPI report. China's consumer inflation hit a two-year high last month, but producer prices fell. China's CPI rose 2.7% year-over-year in July, up from 2.5% in June. The Producer Price Index (PPI) rose 4.2% in July, down from 6.1% in June. Micron Technology's dismal forecast pulled chip makers and tech stocks lower as investors awaited US inflation data that could lead the Fed to tighten its efforts to curb inflation. The Labor Department will release July consumer prices on Wednesday and wholesale prices on Thursday. A strong inflation print would suggest the Fed is not close to pausing its tightening cycle, and markets would adjust their interest rate expectations. Muharram closed the domestic stock market on August 9, 2022. Monday's benchmark indices gained heavily on positive global cues. S&P, BSE Sensex rose 465.14 points, 0.8%, to 58,853.07. Nifty 50 gained 127.60 points, 0.73%, to 17,525.10. Foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, bought shares worth 1,449.70 crore on the 8th of August, while domestic institutional investors were net sellers. Follow us. Information is wealth.